Greetings. I hope you are doing really well. I am back with the latest update from TREB MLS sales, and today we are diving into the June 2025 numbers. The story this summer continues to be one of cautious optimism with subtle shifts in the market. In June, MLS reported a slight decline in overall sales compared to this time last year. But here's the key takeaway. When we look at the seasonally adjusted numbers, sales actually rose from May to June. So what does seasonally adjusted really mean? It's a way to compare one month to another accurately without the noise of seasonality. Real estate naturally ebbs and flows. Spring is usually busy, winter is typically slower, but seasonal adjustments help us see the true picture. In this case, the fact that seasonally adjusted sales are up tells us that buyer activity is starting to build beyond what's normal for this time of year. That's an encouraging sign for market stability. Meanwhile, new listings actually dipped slightly from May. Combined with stronger sales, this means inventory is starting to tighten. Active listings, however, are still significantly higher than last year, giving buyers more choice and more room to negotiate. At the same time, average home prices remain lower than they were a year ago, reinforcing that we are still in a buyer's market. Prices across all property types also edged slightly lower compared to May. Let's take a closer look at what's happening by property type. In the detached home segment, markets like Oshawa, Ajax, and Brampton continue to offer more affordable entry points outside the Toronto score. If you are looking for something mid-range or closer to the city, areas like Newmarket, Milton, Burlington, and Caledon offer a good balance between price and location. For those looking at premium homes, Toronto, Mississauga, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, and Oakville remain some of the most sought-after options for family and move-up buyers. Switching over to condos, prices have remained relatively stable across the board. More budget-friendly options can still be found in Brampton, Toronto East, and Mississauga, which continue to attract first-time home buyers. If you are exploring more central or premium locations, Toronto Score and Markham lead the way. So, what's the big picture here? Inventory levels remain high, giving buyers leverage. Affordability is slowly improving. Seasonally adjusted sales are quietly trending up, which is a positive sign. Interest rates are steady at 5% and inflation cooled to 2.8% in the month of June. This is still very much a buyer's market. Whether you are looking to purchase your first home or move up, this could be your window of opportunity. If you are selling, it's essential to price smartly, competitively, and position your property well to attract sincere buyers in this environment. Every neighborhood, every home type, and every price point tells its own story. If you'd like to explore what these trends mean for your specific situation, I'd love to connect with you. I'll leave you with this amazing quote and thought. Perseverance is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did.